Hey, what's going on YouTube? Picked this up on Black Friday sale. Got 2 day shipping with Home Depot. It's a special buy kit. Got the M12 3/8 impact wrench. It's the Stubby. There's the kit. Comes with a 5 amp hour battery. Is everything included? Impact wrench, 1.5.0 battery, M12 charger, and the contractor's bag. Here's a little of the information. Brushless motor, Red Link Plus, intelligence. And then we got up to 250 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque. I just wanted a smaller electric stubby for a 3/8. I use the 40-volt mid-torque from Makita. And then I also use a 3/8 stubby and Nitro Cat, which is probably a lot stronger than this, but needed something electric. That way when I didn't have air. So let's do the unboxing, open this up. Alright, let's get this open. Alright, you got your instruction manual, the impact, battery and charger, you see the size. I'm going to compare it to the air-powered stubby I normally use. Battery came half charged, so I'll charge that up. That's the look with the 5.0 on there. I'm going to pick up some of the 2.0 batteries, so I'll be a little bit smaller. And I will do a longer review, an actual review in the future. This is just a quick unboxing. Show you how it looks. Overall, pretty good quality. I like Milwaukee and Makita personally. They're the only two I use. I'll be taking off that clip. I also bought one of the Milwaukee boots that goes over here, the rubber protective like little sheath that goes over. That way it doesn't get banged up too bad. It's one thing I love about the Makitas. They all come with that nice rubber piece already built onto here, so your face doesn't get destroyed. Alright, now I'll just show you the size difference between the Nitro Cat 3/8 and then also a mid-torque example.
Your idea was really great. It just has to be cleaner.
Alright, so here is the 3/8 stubby Nitro Cat. And this is the size difference. You'll see Milwaukee is a little bit bigger. I think this has 650 or 750 foot-pounds. This is 250 breakaway. So a little fatter, a little bit longer. The length. Alright, now here is a Makita mid-torque. Here's what I was talking about, how they come with the protective boot right near the anvil. This thing is great. So here is the side comparison compared to a 1/2 inch and a 3/8. So I use this for all the big stuff. Length. This is for lug nuts, everything I could use this in. This will be for tight quarters. Alright, and I will do a review later on in action. Test it out on some lug nuts on a tire rotation.